This video was packed with noise and pixels, basically dead. But with AI, it made it to real 4K. I saved it. Noisy archival footage, terrible low-quality AI outputs, or pixelated downloaded files that are every editor's nightmare. These shouldn't be thrown away. In this tutorial, I'm showing a free AI upscaling tool that pushes broken videos all the way to true 4K. And at the end, I'll share a golden noise reduction technique that completely flips the game, and you definitely won't learn just anywhere.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
I spent hours testing different video upscalers, and honestly, most of them were pretty useless. But right now, to actually hit the goals we have, we're jumping into this powerful AI node-based engine. I'm going to reveal the name and address of this platform at the end of the tutorial. To get started, you've got full freedom to sign in with your email, Google, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. I'm going with Google, just faster. Up in the top right corner, right next to your profile icon, you'll see your token wallet staring at you. At the time I'm recording this, you get 120 tokens for signing up and another 20 tokens that recharge daily. But let's be real for a second. The AI world is as unstable as spring weather. Things can change overnight. Tokens might get limited or even removed. So if you log in and see zero balance, please don't call this clickbait or fake promises. These platform policies are completely out of our control. After logging in, I click on Create and jump into a workspace. At first glance, it might feel a bit different, because this platform is node-based. That means everything works with nodes. Don't stress about it though. It's actually really fun once you get the hang of it. Just remember two key things. If you hold Control and scroll your mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out of the workspace and really focus on the details. And if you hold space, the hand tool activates, letting you move around freely. There are a few nodes here by default. I select all of them and delete everything so we start clean. To access the tools, I click on the plus button. I add a simple video input node to bring our footage into the workspace. This first scenario is all about upscaling. Before anything else, let's take a look at the video we're about to upscale. The file is around 2 megabytes, with a resolution of 752 by 416, and I actually generated it using an AI video generator. Now I just drag and drop it straight into the video node. Once it's fully uploaded, you'll see the thumbnail pop up. I hit play. As you can see, the resolution is low, and there's a bit of noise in there too. Now I connect the video node to a new node called Video Super Resolution. Inside this node, we can upscale anywhere from 720p all the way up to 4K. I select 4K and run the process, which costs us 1 token. After a short wait, the result is ready. Let's watch it together. Not only did the resolution increase, but look at the details. The eyes, the eyelids, the lips, even the hair. You can clearly feel how much sharper and cleaner the image is now. When I hover my mouse over the node, you can also see the download option. Now let's check the file details. The size jumped to 8 megabytes, and the resolution is now 3008 by 1664. Last week, I actually ran into a problem on one of my projects and went searching for a better solution. And that search led me to what you're about to see next. In this second scenario, we're not just upscaling. We're genuinely improving the video quality and reconstructing it. I click on plus again and add another basic video input node. I hit the plus icon on the node and upload the video so the thumbnail appears. I play the video so you can see its original state. Now I connect this video node to a new one called Ultra HD Video. I run the process, which costs 2 tokens this time. After a short processing phase, the result is ready. I hit play. the video feels alive now. You can clearly see better facial details, reduced noise, and much sharper edges. And right here, you can see how to download this video. Let's compare the file details before and after. The original file was about 2 megabytes at 752 by 416. After enhancement, it's now 19 megabytes at 2604 by 1440. That's a level you can actually use in professional projects. In the third scenario, I want to show you that golden technique I promised and rescue a video that's drowning in heavy noise and looks completely unusable. I click on plus and add another node to load the video into the workspace. I upload the video, wait for the thumbnail to appear, and play it so you can see the original. This video is dirty, noisy, and honestly, if you were in my place, you'd probably delete it immediately, right? But nope. This is where things get interesting. I take a different path. First, I connect a new node called Denoise to this video. With the Denoise node, we remove a surface layer of noise. Then I connect the output of Denoise to another node called Ultra HD Video. So now we're running two processes back to back. I select all the nodes and run this multiprocess, which costs a total of 3 tokens. The processes run sequentially. First Denoise does its job, then the output moves into Ultra HD, and after that, the final result is ready. I play the video coming out of Denoise first. As you can see, because the noise was extremely heavy, this step removes only a surface layer of it. Now let's watch the final enhanced video. This is where the video is genuinely rescued. Noise reduction combined with increased facial detail and sharper lines is clearly noticeable. I'll be honest, at first I doubted that running a super noisy video through 2 different nodes would actually work. But let's look at the before and after file details. The original was around 2 megabytes at 752 by 416. After multiple processing stages, it's now 18 megabytes at 2604 by 1440. And I can confidently say this video is absolutely worth using now. I genuinely didn't expect the Denoise node to perform this well, but it surprised me and saved a video I was about to delete. Now we've reached the moment you've been waiting for and that I promised at the start. All this magic happens on robinio.com. There's the link on your screen. This is the AI node-based engine that changes the game for every editor. Go test it out and rescue your noisy, blurry, and low-quality footage. And don't think upscaling and quality enhancement stop here. In upcoming videos, I'll introduce even more powerful tools. If you know any AI tools I didn't mention and they're not on my list, drop them in the comments so everyone can benefit. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.